Okay, today we're starting to work on fractions, and as we know, a fraction is a part of a number. It's also a division problem, so anytime you see a fraction written, if it's 2 over 3, that's 2/3 of one whole, or when it's used as a division problem, it's 2 divided by 3. Today we're going to be multiplying the fractions. So when you multiply fractions, it's very simple. You're just going to set it up as a multiplication problem, and you'll do the top times the top. 2 times 1 equals 2 over the bottom 3 times 2 is 6, and then you reduce the answer if you can, and in this one you can. 2 will go into both, and you come out with 1 over 3. And we're going to do two different ways of the same problem. There's two different ways to multiply fractions, and it's really just to reduce the fractions. So we can set the same problem up, 2/3 times 1 over 2, 1/2, and we can reduce before we ever even work out the problem. And we can do that in a cross way. So we can reduce down the 2's or the 1 and the 3 if possible. 1 and 3 are already reduced down. They don't have a common factor that will go into both of them to reduce them down, but 2 does. You can reduce 2 down by 2. So if you put 2 into both of them, you get 1 there, 1 there, and then you multiply across because everything is reduced down. 1 times 1 is equal to 1, and 3 times 1, now that we've reduced it down, is equal to 3. And you come up with the same answer, and you're just working it two different ways. You can either reduce the answer once you're done, or you can reduce before you ever get to it. As you get to bigger problems with bigger numbers, cross-reducing is a much better way to do it because it's easier to reduce it here than to end up with one large number on top of another large number and have to go over and over and over trying to get it reduced down to its lowest form.